Nitong Martes, ginanapang pandinig ng Senado ukol sa panukalang nagtatakda ng 2,000 pisong dagdag sa buwan ng pensyon ng Social Security System. Unang dumating si Emilio de Quiros, President of Social Security System, at ang kanyang Senior Vice President George Onqueco Jr. at iba pang kasama sa komite. Nang dumating ang committee chairperson na si Senator Cynthia Villar, formal nang sinimula ng pandinig. Unang nagpahayag ang presidente ng SSS na kung saan inulan ng mga tanong mula kay Senator Villar.
Was there an increase in premium during
Only in
Social Security?
only in 2014, Madam.
So what is government security, which is around 270?
No, 10-year fund, there is no limit on government.
Sa bonds.
Sa gitna ng pandinig, dumating si Senator Chofisto Ginggona III, ngunit matapos ang ilang minuto ay agad umalis ang senador. Ganoon din si Senator Coco Pimentel at nag-iwan ng maikling mensahe.
We have more than 10 years to look, more than 10 years or 14 years to be exact, to look for ways on how to make the fund more viable. And I'm sure if there is a will, there is a way.
House ma'am pareho din, subsidy lang gusto mo.
Hindi man sinabi doon eh. Basta increase lang 2,000. Simple lang. Now, yung subsidy, you ask me, gaano na.
So ma'am, kung paano gagawin? Kasi yung problema ng SSS, ayun nga, bababa yung
They have
fund
15 years to do it. So, it's not today. It's after 15 years. We have 15 years to do it. Alam mo naman, maging very successful ang Philippines and baliwala sa kanya yung subsidy na yun.
Matapos maipasa ang Social Security Act sa Lower House of Representatives, inaasahang maaprubahan ito ni Pangulong Noynoy Aquino sa Disyembre, bago matapos ang kanyang termino. Yeye Rara, nag-uulat.